Shopify product page customization. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can basically modify and customize your Shopify product page. So from the left side, click on online store, then click on pages when you are on your Shopify dashboard. Now from over here, you guys have to choose the page that you guys want to edit. So in this case, I have this page over here. I'm going to click on that. And then as soon as I click on that, I can simply click on view page and it's going to take me over here. So right now, this is the basic contact page. But of course, once you guys have more pages, you guys will have a similar layout over here and you guys will have complete customization options for that particular landing page or for your product page. And you guys can simply double click on any text and you will be able to modify that particular text. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to basically start modifying your product pages, and you will be able to start editing and creating awesome pages after you're done with this. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.